Hello and a very good evening to all. Today I am here with you in another podcast and one-to-one interaction with Mr. Raj. So very good evening, Raj.
Good evening, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, great to listen that.
Yes.
Raj, it is very good to listen to you when you say something about yourself. So few lines about yourself so that we could let us know about you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Raj Mandil. I am 15-year-old and I am studying in 10th class and from VCS Victor Convent Public School Higher Secondary School.
Okay, Raj, you said you are studying in 10th standard. So is it a CBSE or MP?
It is CBSE.
Okay. What is the difference you found in MP and CBSE?
The basic difference is the CBSE students work hard for getting the knowledge and the paper of the exam of CBSE board is too tough than MP board, because the MP board our CM Shivraj Singh Chauhan said that the paper of MP board is too easy. That's why the preparation of MP board students is loose.
Okay. Raj, after the COVID-19, your study, now how is it going? Are you enjoying your study? Because as I know, schools are not partially open, they're partially closed and partially open. So how's your study going on these days?
In school, from the side of school, it is it is to lose, because there as nowadays the online classing is going on. That's why the connection problem is there, and the interaction of the teacher is not good. If we set the problem to the teacher, it didn't reach. Nowadays our exam is going on. That's why the classes is remain off.
Okay. See, COVID-19, after this phase, students they struggle a lot, and especially the board students. They were made to just be comfortable with the technology. So you may have studied a lot through the technology using the mobile phone. So was that comfortable for you, or offline study you still think it is better than online study?
Offline study is better than online, because nowadays so many student is doing that, join the class and doing another thing on the mobile. Some are doing chatting and some are doing watching videos, like funny videos and
Yes.
so on. But in offline classes, there the interaction of the teacher of the board is straight, and we learn everything from the board, which was learned by our teacher.
Okay, means this complete year you have studied at the coaching and you have studied at the home, sitting at home and using mobile phone and attending the lecture. Are you missing your class time, or like class fun, attending the class, going physically, being present there? Are you missing those days?
Sometimes I lose the joining, because there the connection of the network is doesn't reach there. That's why my some classes are not good.
Hmm.
I'm I went to I'm going to my morning coaching. That's why I didn't attend the two classes, Hindi and science.
Very
Ma-
good. See, my question was, you have been studying from the COVID duration. You have been studying online. Are you missing your offline classes, because being physically present at any place and enjoy with the friends and like getting used to and have fun in the class atmosphere? Are you missing those days?
I'm really missing those days, because they are so fun, because they are our teachers and our friends.
Have fun.
We have fun with the teachers and with our friend. If they are the teacher are studying, then our friends are fighting with each other, and that's like thing. I'm missing my friends and my teachers also.
Okay. Raj, I have just found 9 to 12th standards of students. They are extremely naughty. So, are you naughty, or like how difficult is it for the teacher to handle you?
I'm a bit naughty, but the interaction of the teacher with me is too good. That's no one teacher is face problem with me,
Mhm.
and that's why my connection with the teacher is good.
Okay. How do you have fun? How do you entertain yourself when you are in the class, out of the class with your friends?
Uh, I fun with my friends because my friends we are when we are out of the class we play volleyball and so kind of things. We study together, and in the class uh, we fun with the teacher.
Mock.
We mock of the teacher, and we throw the pen and pencil, these kind of things, and sometimes the teacher said the joke, that's why we
Yes.
laugh.
Beautiful. Life of the student today, you see, lots of the study, many coachings, much stress of the study, and pressure of the exams too, and expectations of the parents. So much pressure from everyone's side. How do you manage the fun, and how do you manage your study? Because there should be a perfect balance. How do you balance your education and your entertainment, like having something good to be in your life?
I make the timetable for the for educate for studying and for fun. Sometime I disturb my timetable, but lots of time I run with my timetable. Sometimes I study, and most of the time I study, and sometime I am out of the home and I work.
How do you entertain yourself? See, after studying a lot, you just want to enjoy with your friends, watching TV, using mobile phone. So how do you enjoy that phase?
I enjoyed by playing the games on mobile, and uh, and fight with my sister, and do work on my shop.
Okay, means you like to play games in the mobile phone. Aren't you interested going outside and playing outdoor games?
I'm interested, but no one
Plays with you.
play with me.
Fine. How many friends you have,
I have 4 to 5 friends.
and who are your best friends?
My best friend is nowadays no one.
No one is your best friend. All are your good friends, and
Good
no
friends.
one you found like the best friend category. Okay.
But I was having
Okay,
my
best friend. Fine. Raj, anything from your side, how can a student makes his study better?
from my side. The student has to learn more about the out of the syllabus also, and from the deep of the syllabus, which makes the student high knowledge, and increase the IQ level, and by studying more we can achieve everything. And if we go to interview of any job, we the boss cannot say that you are not able to do that job.
Okay. So it was very good to talk to you, Raj,
Thank
and
you.
have a nice discussion. And please meeting you.
Thank you,
very
sir.
much. So this was Raj for you, and have a nice interaction and wonderful talk with him. Thank you very much.